If growing your channel on YouTube is of importance to you, then you cannot do without creating content. When it comes to creating content, you must be at your A game. When you get to create a lot of content, a lot of your time will go into managing this content you create. To help you with finding the best content idea that will rank in search results, I will recommend that you go with the free Chrome extension tool called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is really a great tool for YouTube content creators. It also has a whole lot of tools that you don't want to miss out on, even if you are a beginner or you are an expert. And in this video, very shortly, I will open your eyes to one of the many awesome tools that TubeBuddy has. To carry us further in this short video, you will need the TubeBuddy tool Chrome extension. If you don't have one already, don't worry, I have got you covered. Just click the link in the description below to download TubeBuddy for free and install. This is my affiliate link and I get a certain credit if you use my affiliate link in the description, which is at no extra cost to you at all. Once you have the TubeBuddy Chrome extension tool installed using my affiliate link in the description below, you will see the TubeBuddy tool icon up here at the top right. Click on it and we'll make use of the Keyword Explorer tool. Click on the Launch Keyword Explorer now. This is one of my favorite tools in particular when it comes to TubeBuddy, and I make use of it on a daily basis. I'm going to show you very shortly how to use this particular tool to get more views and more subscribers to your YouTube channel. Enter the keyword or topics you wish to research on. In my own case, I will put in here dog food as an example. The first thing you will notice is that TubeBuddy will auto suggest some related keywords for you because people are searching for these keywords. You can go ahead and create videos about the auto suggested keyword and you will automatically start getting views. But then a better way to make use of this tool TubeBuddy is to hit on search, and you will notice that this particular keyword dog food has a rating of 22 out of 100. The reason for this is because a lot of content has been created around this keyword dog food, irrespective of the fact that it has a monthly search volume of over 7 million. The competition is way too high, and this is where the tool TubeBuddy is of benefit to you. It will show you these details so you will know which kind of keyword you get to target that has high search volume with low competition and will enable you rank higher in search. Go to the right hand side of your screen and you will see that TubeBuddy provides you with the keywords related to the main keywords you searched for. The next thing you want to do is to select out of the related keywords to see which one has the high search volume and low competition. While doing your selection, make sure that it is targeted, or better still, niche down as much as possible. I will search through and let me go with how to cook dog food. When I click on it, the TubeBuddy will show me the result. As you can see, 54 out of 100, which is a good score, at least better than the last, which had a poor score of 22 out of 100. So you can keep searching on the related section to get the best keywords and use them in your video title, video tags, and video description. Going forward, if I add at the end of this keyword, for instance, in 10 minutes, that is how to cook dog food in 10 minutes, you will notice that it turns excellent. I mean, the score turns excellent, and about 125 million people are searching for this keyword and no video has been created for it. So whatever your niche is, use the Keyword Explorer tool in TubeBuddy to get the best video idea to create. So here is the trick. Install TubeBuddy using the link I have in the description below. Go to the Keyword Explorer tool and type in your main keyword. Then go to the related section and find the keyword with high search volume and low difficulty. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section below and I will attend to all of your questions. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe now to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.